If you go to the bathroom past midnight, always turn the light on. Because around 2 a.m. last night, I woke up and really had to pee. So I got up, but I was pretty much still half asleep. My eyes felt super heavy and I didn't really have any of my senses yet. So I'm walking in the dark and I open the bathroom door, but right when I do that, I see a shadowy figure on the toilet. So I scream because I'm thinking, why is there a ghost taking a dump in my bathroom right now? But I didn't know if I was just imagining it because I was super tired. So I turned the light on and what do I see? My mom just sitting there. She was sitting in complete silence at 2 a.m. with the lights off. So I asked her, Mom, what are you doing? And she says, I'm just going to the bathroom. But then I say, yeah, but why are you just sitting here with the lights off not saying anything? And she was like, I don't know, that's just what I always do. Next time I gotta go to the bathroom at this time, I'm just gonna wet the bed.